guys, it's Virals here back with another video. Today we are playing Pilgrims again. There, now we can shut that. Today we are playing Pilgrims again. So, we are playing Pilgrims again. And basically, I went through most of it. Okay, now I have that. Okay. Now I need to go fishing. So today we're gonna hopefully speed really through this. Let's do that. Get a fish. Okay. So there's also multiple missions where I can basically use a fish. So let's first, instead of giving money to her, I can actually give her food. So I'm gonna do that. Let's quickly cook this fish. Okay, so basically, this is more sort of like I'm going through some of them. A couple of them are basically whacking the fish, so I'm gonna do that. It's also actually, let's go and fill this bucket. Okay, I got that. No, I think I have to go and get that, farm again, because I need to cheer up this guy again. Let's see. Give me that. I can go and I can give this to you. Actually, let's first actually give this guy a fish.
No.
Okay. He didn't do anything. Okay, so then I need to actually go and cook that. Okay, so that wasn't just a waste of time. Okay.
Ooh, ha. Ah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go down here. Instead, let's go feed her a fish.
Indeed. No.
So, I'm gonna skip through most of it because it's gonna be really. Oh wait, did I mess something there? Stone or anything? Okay. Let's go quickly. Go get another worm. Oh wait, actually wait, I might already have a worm. Never mind. Okay, so let's go fishing again. With the intro. A fish. Okay. Let's go and quickly go cook this fish.
Ah. Ha. Oh.
So I need to go to the tavern here to give him a fish.
Hello. No. Daddy.
Wait, can I get my person junk?
Daddy.
Let's see. I actually want to see. Can I get this guy junk?
No. Hey.
Okay, he is completely knocked out. Okay. Anyway, let's go here.
Angie.
Let's give you this. Do you want the alcohol?
Oh.
Actually, wait. I have a question. Could I? Is it possible to make the werewolf or the wolf drunk? And maybe I don't need to give him like. Here, let's actually test that. Oh, hi there. So let's
No.
see. Can I get him I'd probably have to go get another one. I can't.
Yeah.
Let's go and get this gem. Okay, let's go and. Oh, that was actually an achievement. Okay. But I'm gonna have to go fish again. There's gonna be a lot of fishing, so. Right here, because if I just. Okay, sit there. Here. That's your stupid fish. Good. Bye. Let's go cook this.
Ooh.
Okay, now let's go. Wait. Need to go there.
Andrea.
Here's your fish. Okay, fine. Let's go here. Because I wonder. Do I need to chew you up again?
Angie.
Would this be fine?
Yeah. Otra. Ya. No, okej, to masz, no. Ber. No, ciało mniejsze.
Okay. So that actually easy one. Okay, so
Indeed.
skip this. Let's give you your alcohol. Skip that. He comes with me. Here's that
Daddy.
corn. Hold on, let's shoot my head off. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. Is there also a bug here? Oh yeah. Hey boogie. Okay, let's. Maybe I have to find a bunch of bugs. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So what else do I? Oh, I could go and get. Wait, no, I need a couple. Okay, let's just go and slay the dragon. I need to first get this guy to pull this. Okay, so I can go and slay the dragon now. But I'm gonna. I don't. Wait. Just go down here. We already know her backstory. I think I just stole a broom. Oh, that was actually a mission. Okay, so I just stole a broom. Now I want to see. Could I? Could I go get Agnes? I think that's her name. Yeah, Agnes. To go and whack the priest out with her broom? Okay, the weird thing is, it shows me that she can do something with that. Okay, so then maybe we can get like Agnes to whack the dragon with her broom. Oh wait, princess? Agnes whack her. That's actually new info. So the dragon says that it wants the Actually, wait. Do I want to do that? No, I don't. Anyway, let's skip through this. Fill that with water. Let's go cook a drowsiness thing.
Yeah. Yep. Daddy.
Yeah.
Let's send the devil on his way. Wait, could I actually... Is it possible to get him back? What? Okay. That's apparently something. Okay. So, what else do I have left? Oh, right. So I need to... Let's go back, refill that up. Now I have... You know, I can cook whatever this hyper potion, I guess I can call it. Okay, yep. Okay. So it said that, like, actually, we'll do that next episode. How about that? I can't believe how much this time.
Next to the hut. No.
Oh, it tired itself out. No, I don't want that.
Where now?
Okay, now the dragon's dead. Wait, is there still anything there? Let's check. Okay, no, there's nothing left there. Okay, so let's go and head back. Actually, wait. Should we go first? Let's go first help Agnes. Actually, wait. We need to actually go here and get water with that bucket because last time we needed that because when the lady gets mad, we need to put her eyes out to basically kill her. So let's go do that.
No, se me...
When she leaves, Ina spanks us. Okay. So now, I think we're done. Right? Nothing else left to do. So let's go listen.
Tak dobrze to ci przełam. Oj, jupi!
Tak jsem král, ty jsi moje královna. Jo, vesel.